how to change ISO on Sony A7 IV or even other Sony cameras. Now ISO tends to play a very important role whenever you are shooting something from your camera, and you can see the ISO value currently mine is set to 100 right here. So to change this ISO value, I have to access ISO settings. There are multiple ways to do this. The first is that I can just show you a little bit. You can see this little FN button. So when I press this FN button, I'll come to this page, and from here I can manually navigate to the ISO tab right here. But if you don't see the ISO tab also, no worries. Just come back like this, and here in this dial pad, the right hand side, you can see it says ISO. So I press this right dial pad. When I do that, here I can see the ISO, which I can configure from 100 to other values. So this way I can go ahead and then change the ISO on my Sony A7 IV camera. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.